What is this? Sound competition? It's in a big park.
You know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it is. See what we got? We got all Americans out here. We do the lineup. You know what I'm saying? Got Harleys, got Indians, we got Vicks, some more Indians, some more Harleys, you know what I'm saying? Got dogs, got horses, got Vicks. Yeah. You see the lineup. You see the lineup. You see the lineup. Even got some three-wheelers out here. Come on through. Highrollaz meet and greet. Got cigars in the back, food truck in the back. Come on through and fellowship.